Today we're going to be looking at installing the OPR Keyless Entry Remote for 1999 to 2014 Mustangs. This is a 4-button key fob that does not have a remote start, and it'll work with any 99 to 2014 Mustang that has a factory 4-button remote. This is a great replacement for lost or broken remotes. It's relatively easy to program, and it's also inexpensive. It costs about 20 bucks. For the install, I'll call it a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and let's go ahead and I'll show you how to get this programmed to your vehicle. You guys can see that the OPR remote has 4 buttons. You have lock, unlock, panic, and a trunk button, and it looks identical to our factory key fob. So in order to get this paired, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our key and cycle the ignition 8 times. We're not going to turn the vehicle on. On the 8th time, we're going to leave the ignition in the on position. Alright, so that's our 8th time. Our car door is locked and unlocked, which indicates that the car is now in program mode. So we're going to go ahead and hit any button on the key fob here. We're going to unlock. My car door is unlocked, which now means that my key fob is programmed for the vehicle. With our key fob program, we can now lock and unlock our car doors, as well as pop our trunk and hit the panic button if we wanted to. That's going to wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind that if you ever lose or break your key fob for your 99 to 2014 Mustang, you can always check out the OPR Replacement key fob right here at AmericanMuscle.com.